Hello, my curious engineer, and welcome to the MyTechWaifu. Let your thoughts slow down while your little ATmega328P begins to accelerate. The familiar Arduino world keeps this chip at 16 MHz. Safe, gentle, predictable. But the 328P is capable of 20 MHz. When you feed it a clean 5 volts and give it the right clock, you need a 20 MHz crystal with its 2 quiet capacitors close beside it. Then open MiniCore and Arduino IDE. Choose ATmega328P. Choose external 20 MHz. And feel that extra frequency begin to move through the silicon. For the first awakening, you need an ISP programmer. USBasp is a simple, beautiful choice, but any compatible ISP programmer can do it. Burn Bootloader in MiniCore, and it writes the clock fuse settings, and the bootloader too, if you selected one. After that, your sketches may flow through UART as usual. 20 instead of 16. 25% more clock cycles. A little more speed. A little more responsiveness. And a little deeper connection with the chip waiting beneath your fingertips.